So in this video, we are going to learn how to create a ChatGPT bot for Telegram. So this is going to be an amazing automation which we are going to set up. And in this automation, we are going to create a chat bot for our Telegram account, and that chat bot will be connected to ChatGPT in such a way that whenever we are going to send a message to that bot is going to get the message. The same message will be sent to ChatGPT, and for that particular message, for that prompt, ChatGPT is going to generate some content, some response. And after doing this, the response given by ChatGPT, automatically this exact same bot will send us the same response which ChatGPT gave us. That too automatically. This complete process will be automated using Pabbly Connect. So after setting up this automation, where it's your Telegram web or Telegram mobile, you can get the power of AI on your fingertips. So if you want to know how you can set up this automation or create a chatbot with ChatGPT for your Telegram account, for that you just have to come with me to my screen. So here you can see that I have logged into my Telegram account in Telegram web. Now to set up this kind of connection, to create an AI bot in our Telegram account, first what we have to do, we have to create a bot in our Telegram account, and then after that we are going to connect that bot with ChatGPT or OpenAI. So here let's create a bot first. Now here in our Telegram account, go to the search bar and search for bot father and just select the chat of this bot father with this official tick. After coming to bot father, click on the start button and then enter /new bot. Just select it, just send /new bot. After sending this, we are asking us bot father to create a new bot, and in return, bot father is asking us to give our bot a name. So for example, I would like to name my bot as my AI bot. This is the name which I want to give. Just send it. Then it is asking us to give this bot a unique username, and the bot username should be ended with _bot. So I'm going to enter this bot name and then give this unique bot a username. My AI bot 181 _bot. So this will be the username of this bot, and let's send it. After sending the username, here you can see that bot finder has successfully created this bot in my Telegram account. After creating this bot in this message, you can see this link. By clicking on this link, we will reach to the particular bot's chat. Just click on the start button and this bot has been added in our Telegram account. Now I can send or receive messages from this bots in this particular chat. Also, while creating the bot, in return in response, bot father in this message mentioned the API token of this bot as well. This is the API token of this particular bot which we have created. And using this API token, we can connect this bot with other platforms or other applications as well. So step 1 of this process is completed, guys. We have successfully created a bot in our Telegram account. Now after creating this bot, what we have to do? We have to connect this bot with ChatGPT in such a way that whatever message I send to this bot, the same message should be sent to ChatGPT, and then according to that message, that prompt, ChatGPT should generate some response, and in return, this bot should run me the same response created by ChatGPT. So to set up this kind of process, to connect our bot, our Telegram bot with ChatGPT, we are going to use an automation and integration platform that is called Pabbly Connect. Now, what is this Pabbly Connect, how you can access it, and how you can set up this complete process, how you can integrate our Telegram bot with ChatGPT using Pabbly Connect. I will show you a step-by-step guide for this. So first, let's go to a new tab in our browser and enter Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see that we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you already have a Pabbly Connect account, you can click on this sign in button and log into your account. But if you haven't created your Pabbly Connect account yet, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Right now, I will just click on this sign in button and sign in to my own Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, click on this access now below Pabbly Connect. And then here you can see that we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now, after reaching to this dashboard, here you can see a list of all the automation or integration workflows which I have created inside Pabbly Connect. And to begin with creating a new workflow, click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Telegram AI bot. You can give any name of your choice and then just click on create. After clicking on create, here you can see that our automation workflow is open in front of us. So in this workflow, you can see 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window.
So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with a trigger window. Now guys, our idea was that whenever we send some kind of prompt or message to our Telegram bot, our AI bot which we have created in Telegram, using this bot, we want to send that same data, the same text or prompt to ChatGPT. Then after that, using ChatGPT, we want to generate some response for that particular prompt. ChatGPT is going to give some answer, some response. And then we want this same bot to share that same answer on our Telegram chat. In this way, on the go, you can have access to ChatGPT and you don't have to actually log into a ChatGPT account in your browser or in some other application. In just a single Telegram chat window, you can get the power of AI. Now to make this happen, first what we have to do, first we have to get the messages which we are sending to this AI bot on our Telegram account. So here in this trigger window, we are going to connect our Telegram bot so that all the messages or prompts or questions which we are sending to Telegram bot, that data should be received inside Pabbly Connect. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we are going to send those prompts, those messages or those questions to ChatGPT in the second step. And in response, ChatGPT will give us some answer for that particular prompt, some response. And after that, in the third step, we are going to send that same answer, this same response back to our chat using this Telegram bot. So in return, this Telegram bot is going to send that exact same answer to us as a message. So let's connect this bot in our trigger window with Pabbly Connect. So in this trigger window, in Choose App, search for Telegram bot. Just select it. And after that, in trigger event from this drop down, select Set Webhook/Watch Updates as the trigger event. Click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here guys, in this section, we have to connect our Telegram bot which we have created with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token of the bot which we want to create. So while creating this new bot using BotFather, in this message, BotFather has also given us the API token of this exact same bot. So from that particular message, we have to copy this API token, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And then just click on Save. After clicking on Save, we will see using this API token, this particular bot is now connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, click on this Save and Send Test Request button. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, it has changed to Waiting for Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response, some data from our Telegram bot. Now after making this connection, every time a message will be sent to this particular Telegram bot from my side, automatically the exact same message will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So right now this trigger window is showing us waiting for response. Now I'm going to send a message to this Telegram bot. For example, I would like a message as what is automation and integration. What is automation and integration? This is the message I'm going to send to this particular bot, and I have sent it. As I send this message, we will see instantly in Pabbly Connect in this workflow within few seconds, the same message detail, the same message data will be received. And yes, here you can see that just now we have received the response in this trigger window of our Pabbly Connect workflow. And in this workflow, you can see the response as text message, what is automation and integration. The same message which we have just now sent to our Telegram bot over here. Now after this, you can see some other details from this message like the name, my name, who sent the message. And after that, you can see my chat ID as well. And we have the timestamp of date and time, that at what date and time this message was received. So in this way, guys, you can see that all the messages which we are going to send to this Telegram bot, automatically all of those messages will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So the step 2 of setting up this automation is also completed. We have connected our Telegram bot which we have created, the AI bot, with Pabbly Connect. Now after this, let's move to step 3. And in step 3, we want to send this same message. We want to send this exact same prompt which we have received from Telegram bot to ChatGPT. So that using ChatGPT, using AI, we can generate some response. We can give this message as a prompt to ChatGPT and get the data from them. And for that, we will just scroll down, come to this action window, and here in Choose App, search for ChatGPT. Just select it. After this, an action event from this drop down, select Ask ChatGPT. click on connect and select add new connection over here. Now here guys, we have to connect our ChatGPT account with Pabbly Connect using the API token over here. Now to get the API token of our ChatGPT account, just log in to the OpenAI account with the same ChatGPT account, then go to this right top corner and under that click on this View API Key button. After clicking on View API Key, click on this Create New Secret Key button, give this key a name, for example, I would like to name it as Telegram and click on this Create Secret Key button. And now here guys, you can see that we have created a new API key in our OpenAI account for our ChatGPT account. Just copy this API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting this, just click on Save. And after clicking on Save, we will see our ChatGPT account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is to select the AI model. So in this dropdown, you can see that in ChatGPT, we have two different models using which we can generate some response. We can get some data out of it. First one is GPT 3.5 Turbo and second one is GTP 3.5 Turbo 0301. So I'm going to use GPT 3.5 Turbo model over here. After selecting this AI model, the next thing it asks us is the prompt. That what is the prompt we want to give to ChatGPT, on the what basis ChatGPT is going to generate some response. So we have given the prompt to our Telegram bot in this message, and we have captured this Telegram message which we sent to our bot inside Pabbly Connect in this trigger window. So from this trigger window guys, we are going to map this response of message, this text message which we are sending to our Telegram bot, and then we are going to map that data over here in this prompt section. So this trigger response of message will be mapped over here. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and here in the drop down, you will see a list of all the responses which we have received from Telegram bot of a new message being received. Out of all of these responses, select this response of text message and map it over here. So in this way, whatever message we are going to send to Telegram bot, with the same message, OpenAI or ChatGPT is going to generate some response. And after mapping this prompt, just click on Save and Send Test Request button. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received some response. And in this response, when we will scroll down, here you can see the response which we have is message content. And in this response in front of message content, here you can see that Pabbly Connect has created some response for the same prompt which we have given to it. We have given a prompt that what is automation and integration, the message, the question or the prompt which we have sent to our Telegram bot from our Telegram account. And here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that using ChatGPT, we have generated some response, some data over here. ChatGPT has given this response for that particular prompt. So the step 3 of setting up this automation is also completed. We have successfully generated some response, received the response from ChatGPT for the prompt for the messages which we are sending to our AI bot. Then after this, let's move to the next step, the step 4, the final step in which we are going to send this response of ChatGPT for our message back to our Telegram chat. So using the same Telegram bot as a reply to this message, we are going to send this same response. So we will just scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button over here. And then here in Choose App, once again search for Telegram bot. Just select it. And this time in this action event from this drop down, we have to select the action event as Send a Text Message or Reply. Just select it. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection over here. Now here guys, because we have connected our Telegram bot, this exact same Telegram bot in the trigger window, so we don't have to make a new connection. You can select the existing connection and click on Save. So using the old connection which we have just now made in the trigger window, we are going to send the message because we want to send the message to the same Telegram bot using which we have received the message as well. Then after this, the next thing it asks us is the chat ID. That what is the chat ID on our Telegram account to whom we want to send the message. So here guys, we have to enter the chat ID of our own account. And in the trigger window, when we have captured a message, we have captured the message sent to this Telegram bot. In this response, we have received this response of chat ID. You can see over here. So we are going to map this response of chat ID from this trigger window responses to this action window response. Just click here and from the drop down from Telegram trigger responses, map the response of chat ID. Then it is asking us for the text message, that what is the text message which we want to send. And we want to send the reply, the response of ChatGPT which we have received as a message. So we are going to map this response of message content which we have received from ChatGPT over here. Just click on this field and from the drop down from ChatGPT responses, select this response of message content and map it over here. If you want, you can add some text before and after it as well. For example, I would like to say ChatGPT says, and then whatever response ChatGPT has given us, we are going to add that response in this message. So ChatGPT says will be a constant for every message, every reply, and after that, we will have this message. Then after this, guys, after adding this text, the next thing it asks us is the message thread ID and reply to ID. So all of these fields are not mandatory, not required, so you can ignore these fields for now. Then it is asking us to disable the notification, so we are selecting no over here. Then it is asking us disable the web page preview, sending without reply, and all of these details. So we are selecting it no as well. Then it is asking us parse mode. So what will be the parse mode, HTML or Markdown? So we are going to select the parse mode as HTML over here. We are going to send this message in HTML type of text. Then at last it is asking us button label or button URL. So if you want, you can create some kind of button as well. So right now, while sending this ChatGPT responses, we don't want to create any kind of buttons in it as well. So we can ignore that field for now as well. Now here guys, after mapping all of these details, after entering the chat ID and the ChatGPT response for our prompt, for our message, what we have to do, we just have to click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And when we click on this Save and Send Test Request button, we will see the message which we have created over here in this text message section. Our Telegram bot has sent us the same message on our chat. So let's check it. We will go to Telegram, and yes, here you can see that we have this message in which ChatGPT says, and this is the complete response which ChatGPT has generated for this message, for this question which we have asked to this bot. So in this way, we have successfully created an automation, a Telegram bot using which whatever text we are going to send, whatever message we are going to send to this Telegram bot, using ChatGPT, we can generate some response. This bot is going to send that text to ChatGPT and we can get the ChatGPT's answer for that particular question in the same chat window. Now in this way, we don't have to open ChatGPT or any other platform to get the power of AI on our hands. I can just open my Telegram account, open my bot's chat and ask them anything. And in response, we will get the reply of ChatGPT in the same chat window. So here guys, we have successfully created this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect using which we have connected Telegram bot with ChatGPT. Now after setting up this automation, let's test this automation a couple of times. For example, I would like to ask ChatGPT as write an article on summer. So I'm just sending this prompt, this message to this AI bot, which we have just now created. And we will see within few seconds, ChatGPT will respond to this message and the same response which ChatGPT is going to generate will be received to us in this same chat window. And yes, here you can see that just now within seconds, ChatGPT has actually generated some response and with the same bot, we have received this response over here in this chat window. So we haven't logged into our ChatGPT account or directly we haven't given any prompt to ChatGPT. We have just created an automation in the backend with our Telegram bot and ChatGPT inside Pabbly Connect. And using this, now I can access ChatGPT on my phone, tablets, iPads, desktops, everywhere. I just have to log into my Telegram account and send a message to this particular bot. After this, let's test this once again. I would ask my bot as, for example, write a quote for the day. So I will just ask to write a quote for the day and the ChatGPT says, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So this is a quote generated by ChatGPT which it has given me in response. So here guys, in this way, you can access ChatGPT. Now here we have tested this automation, this process, this complete setup of Telegram bot and ChatGPT which we have created using Pabbly Connect. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, If you want to create this kind of ChatGPT bot in your own Telegram account, you will get a clone link of this exact same Pabbly Connect workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this exact same workflow which we have created in this video into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation which we have created between Telegram bot and ChatGPT and using which we have created a ChatGPT bot inside our Telegram account, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestions, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.